Kicking off our Readers' Awards, we begin with the International Bakery Machine of the Year 2025 category, celebrating engineering excellence, precision, and performance across the global bakery machinery sector. First, we have Intralox with their zero-splice technology, delivering seamless belt splicing that enhances durability, hygiene, and operational uptime. Up next, Fridge, presenting the Progressor Pastry, a modular sheeting and laminating solution designed for efficiency, consistency, and premium pastry production. And here's Cheppy with their sugar mill, engineered for controlled crystal reduction and reliable sugar processing in bakery environments. And now we highlight GEA with the eBake Electric Tunnel Oven, a next-generation electric baking solution offering high efficiency, uniformity, and reduced emissions. What an exceptional lineup of bakery machinery, each delivering innovation and measurable value to modern production. But there can only be one winner. And the winner of the International Bakery Machine of the Year 2025 is Progressor Pastry by Fridge.